and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no fiance call him no he. E walk asemo. Jesuku maza maza. Yisuku kaba kaba. Sun City, Sun City.
Hey, wanna be?
Sun City.
Can I sit down? I've been looking for you all over the place.
Do you want another stab here, or you are here to spy on me?
No. You know, that unfortunate incident was as a result of some misconception. But now that we've solved everything, I'm sure we are still friends.
And what can I do for you this time?
Oh, you know, tomorrow is that statistic exam, and unfortunately, my wife has given me so much trouble this semester that I've not been able to concentrate to, you know, and I'm wondering if you can help me go through a few questions.
You know, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. I mean, I wonder why an old man like you should be bothering himself with school, why you should be at home helping your wife with the napkins and the dishes. You seem to be going through, you know, a midlife crisis. You know, there are 4 stages in life: childhood, youth, young adulthood, and old adulthood. And you already seem to be going through your midlife crisis at this time. I don't really know exactly what is wrong. Anyway, what is your problem?
Anyway, don't you have any tips or anything like that?
Okay, let's take a typical statistics question. Yeah. If P equals the subtotal of Xn.
Can you take your time? I'm writing.
Okay. I said, if P equals the subtotal of Xn, which is 0, at a quotient of 6, you know, you have to actually combine these things to correlate. You know, and when you're looking at it from a term where, you know, you are taking the...
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
All right, attention you all. You have 20 minutes more. Yes?
Excuse me, sir. Can I have some aspirin and water? Thank you.
Bonjour.
But sir, I didn't know you speak French.
Passable. I'm still working on it. However, I wish you guys would learn to write and speak it fluently. Today, our introductory lecture is about the introduction of the ECO in the Economic Community of West African States. Our main objective is twofold. First, to explore the reasons for the introduction of the ECO, and secondly, find its relevance in today's world. And before that, let's watch this short documentary.
This lecture, they are up to date. You know inside.
flexing.
Yeah, man. Don't you double up? You could check my phone.
All right, get ready to stop work. Okay, stop work. Pens down. Pens down. Stop writing. Please hand in your scripts. Now, where? Stop work. I said, Elijah, are you still writing? Stop work. Juliet, stop work. I said, hand in your scripts now.
A good workout, sir. Just what the doctor ordered.
Well, good.
Yeah. And Mr. Kote, when can we have our papers back?
Well, as soon as I finish marking.
Okay.
It was difficult, sir.
Was it? Mr. Jeblin.
Sir, I was wondering if we could discuss the last part of question 3. You know, if P sigma n.
We shall discuss the questions when the class meets next week. Okay? Well, now, Miss Jones.
I was going to ask a favor, but now I'm afraid.
What can I do for you?
Well, I'm having problems with your course. I need help.
What kind of help can I offer you?
I was hoping if you could give me some tutorials.
Tutorials? That's no problem. Well, you see me later and we can arrange something. Yes?
I will.
All right. Okay, I'll see you then.
Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing your manoye inti swaze kole nohi. Ewo kasemo. Tesuku maza maza. Yisuku kaba kaba. Sun City, Sun City.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for my husband, Mr. Godfred Ayengo.
Oh, Ayango. Oh, I think he's gone for lectures.
Why can I wait for him?
There's a tree there. In front of the JCR, there's a bench. Please sit down and wait for him.
Okay.
You feel comfortable over there.
Thank you very much.
Sing manoye inti swaze kole nohi. Ewo kasemo. Tesuku maza maza. Yisuku kaba kaba. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light.
So good to see you.
Exactly. You seem to be accident prone.
I'm really sorry. You know what? I don't know why I get so clumsy around you. Please, I'm very, very sorry.
All right.
I'm sorry, okay?
All right.
Please,
Never mind, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Hey, what's up?
Later, eh? Okay. All right.
Pissed, I'm pissed.
Charlie, first. No. Hey, you guys. You seem to be rather on the quiet this semester. I mean your relationship with the female gender.
What makes you feel that you know everything that goes on around here? Huh? Eh? You are a kid, but you often think you are hip.
Papa Yango, have you been hearing from your wife and children?
Look, I am very responsible.
Yeah?
I hear from them regularly. They are all fine, except my nagging wife. She's always complaining that I've left her to look after the children all alone while I better my lot over here.
Ozzy, but what does she do? Has she got a job?
Look, she's very, very hardworking. Look, she's in business. I told you I am responsible. I have established her. She's in full business. She sells Obroniwa at Makola. Look, she's very, very hardworking. I don't know what I would have done without her, except that she's too suspicious. She's so suspicious. She said she cannot compete with the university girls.
Why wouldn't she be suspicious? When you don't allow her to visit you here, don't you think it will make her feel unworthy?
You are full of nonsense. Full of nonsense. Where will she sleep when she comes here?
You go now.
Nonsense. You think I'm like you? Huh? The big bag bling.
Godfred, hey, can I ask you a question?
Oh, go ahead.
How many children do you have?
That one you say, oh, boy. I have only 6.
Only
you
what?
mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Papa Yango, you know here of family planning.
I think it is irresponsible to have 6 kids and leave them on the poor woman to bathe, clothe, feed, and pay their fees as well.
The disease of the youth. The disease of the youth. Loudmouth, self-conceited, and devoid of any decorum. You will soon grow up and come and experience what I'm going through. You guys don't know what you are talking about. Look, I planned for only 2 kids. But it was she who said she wanted 6.
Why did she want 6?
It's simple. She said her mother had 10. And so 6 was the least she could have. I mean, who am I to refuse?
So you can give them all.
Once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. Yes, you once, twice, 3 times a lady.
Sharon.
I love you.
Sharon, but why are you always trying to avoid me?
Oh, me avoiding you? Why would I do that?
But I haven't seen you in the past 5 days. Would you say something?
Baby, you know you're my darling, don't you?
But sometimes I wonder.
Come on, don't wonder. Come to mommy.
My heart to touch you, to hold you.
My little wife. Where's your mother? And how are you?
Who is your wife? Mother has gone to the beach for some fish. The fufu is finished, but there's Benko and Umutu.
Okay. Give me Banku. Do you have okra stew?
Yes, Mr. Fred.
Why 3-day chick black? Why do you call me Mr. Fred? My name is Godfred. Godfred. Beautiful girls like you should be in school by now or learning some trade. And not sitting here for some men to, you know. Anyway, I should be talking to your mother so that maybe I can help you.
And who said I need help? If it wasn't for people like me, who would offer you with these services? And what will become of you? Anyway, what did you say you want?
But who will help you, who will provide you services? Oh, Mawena. Anyway, hot pepper soup. Okay. Give me Banku 1,000 cedis and fish 500. My small wife. As for you, I'll marry you by all means. I've told your mother if she doesn't mind. I like the middle of the fish. The middle. Oh, I want more. Oh.
For 500 cedis, that is the only one left.
Oh. I will come and pay when I finish eating. Ignorant girl. Instead of keeping quiet so that I can help her, who will be here to serve you? Who will be here to serve you?
Take your malt. Your father will come soon, okay?
I said, I hope everything's okay, madam.
Yes, everything is okay. Are you returning from lectures?
Yes, mom.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my husband.
What's this?
Mr. Ayongo.
Oh, you mean Godfred?
Yes.
Okay. We left him about an hour ago. I'm sure he should be here very soon.
Okay, thank you.
Is that little Ayongo?
Yes, she is the fourth one. There are 3 older ones and 2 younger ones.
6, you know?
Yes.
Nice
one.
Okay,
Hey, ma.
Fuck
you.
Okay, I'm going.
Yeah.
Godfred, 6 songs.
Has anybody ever told you how beautiful you are? A jet well. Will you come with me now?
I will come in the evening.
Oh, no. Let's go now.
I will come in the evening.
Please, let's go.
Who will I leave my things with?
I can pay for the orange. I mean, there's no problem.
All of them?
All of them. So let's go.
No, but I will come in the evening.
Mr. Ayongo, please excuse me. You had a visitor at the JCR.
Visitor?
Your wife.
What?
She has been here for the past 2 hours. Please go and see her.
Why am I so unlucky? Magbona,